Hi there, my name's Tony Harmer, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you a short trick with curves that may improve some of your image adjustments. Now in the image I have here, which was shot on a phone, there is a color cast, and this is quite common in a range of scenarios, especially on a phone when you've got situations like this, lots of snow around, you get a nice blue cast like so. So typically for this, I would add a curves adjustment layer to remove that color cast. Now you can try the auto button. If I click that, you can see that it does something for the overall levels inside the image. If I just undo that with Command Z, if you option click it or alt click it, however, you get access to all of the 4 algorithms that curves can use automatically. And here, if I just choose find dark and light colors, you see I get a completely different result, and I'll just hit OK, and that's done. So there you are. Why don't you try that out, and of course post your results using the hashtag ISOPhoto, and you can also challenge 3 of your creative friends to do exactly the same. But for now, that's all from me. See you later.